Chapter 1. Computer Networking. Networking. A computer network is a collection of two or more computers which are connected together to share information and resources. In order to establish computer network, we need at least two or more than two computers and some other devices. These devices are interconnected using a communication medium such as a wire, telephone lines, satellite links, and radio, and so on. The communication media or links allow the network components to work together. The network components may be located at remote locations orbit in the same building. Network configuration. There are two types of network configuration as given below. Peer-to-peer network. In this network, files can be shared directly between systems without the need of a central server. In other words, each computer on a P2P network becomes a file server as well as a client. Peer-to-peer network has been designed primarily for small to medium networks. P2P networking makes file sharing easy and convenient, but also lead to a lot of software piracy and illegal music downloads. Therefore, it is best to be on a safer side and download softwares and music only from legitimate websites. Client-server network. In this network, each computer is either a client or a server. To complete a particular task, there exists a centralized host computer known as server, and user's individual computer is known as client. In simple words, client requests a service from the server and the server responds by providing that service. The servers provide access to resources while the clients have access to the resources available on the server. Client-server networks are more suitable for larger networks. Advantages of computer network. Important benefits of computer networks are as follows. Allow resource sharing, powerful communication medium, higher reliability and greater flexibility, lower cost and save resources, expansion possibility, reduced redundancy. Components of a network. A computer network comprises of the following components. Network hardware. Network hardware includes the physical components that work together to create a network. All computer networks require at least the following hardware. Computer. The most important job of a network is to link computers together. When computers are linked, the people using the computers can work more efficiently. Computers connected to a network need not to be of the same type. Cables. Cables are the wires that connect computer and resources on a network. Different kinds of cables can be used depending on the type and the size of the network. The type of a cable used often determines the speed of the network, that is, how quickly the information travels through the networks to reach its destination. For some networks, several miles of cables may be required. Connectors. A connector is a device that joins two computers on a network together. Network interface card. A network interface card, NIC, is a device that joins a cable to a computer. Generally, NIC is installed inside the computer. The edge of the card can be seen at the back of the computer. The NIC has a port where the network cable plugs in. Types of networks. There are various types of computer networks. Generally, the following types of networks are used. LAN, Local Area Network. A LAN is a computer network that covers only a small graphical area, usually within a square mile or less, such as an office, homes, or a building. This type of network does not consist of more than 100 computers. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is designed to extend over the entire city. It may be a single network as a cable TV network or by means of connecting a number of LANs into a larger network so that the sources may be shared into two different segments. MAN is totally owned and operated by a private company or maybe a service provided by a public company, that is, owned and operated by a single entity such as a government body or large corporation. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN is a system of many interconnected computers over a large geographical area such as cities, states, countries, or even the whole world. These kinds of networks use telephone lines, satellite links, and other longer communication technologies to connect like Internet. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VPN uses a technique known as tunneling to transfer data security on the Internet to a remote access server on your workplace network. A VPN helps you save money by using the public Internet instead of making long-distance phone call to connect security with your private network. There are two ways to create a VPN connection, either by dialing an Internet Service Provider (ISP) or connecting directly to the Internet. PAN, Personal Area Network. PAN is a computer network used for communication among various electronic devices such as personal computer and mobile phones in a close proximity. The area of a PAN is typically a few meters. PANs can be used for communication among the devices and for connecting to the Internet. A PAN mainly uses wireless connection. CAN, Campus Area Network. A CAN is a computer network made of interconnection of two or more local area networks within an unlimited area. This type of network is larger than a local area network but smaller than a wide area network. Network topology. The term topology refers to the way a network is laid out, either physically or logically. Topology can be considered as the network's shape. It is a geometric representation of the relationship of all the links. There are 5 basic topologies: bus, ring, star, tree, and mesh. Star topology. In star topology, devices are not directly linked to each other, but they are connected via centralized network component known as hub or switch. The hub acts as a central controller, and if a node wants to send data to another node, it boosts up the message and sends the message to the indented node. Advantages of star topology. Star topology is easy to install. The network is not disrupted even if a node fails or is removed from the network. Fault detection and removal of faulty parts is easier in star topology. Disadvantages of star topology. It requires a longer length of cable. If the hub fails, nodes attached to it are disabled. The cost to create this network is expensive as compared to other topologies. Bus topology. Bus topology uses a single cable to connect all devices with terminators at both ends. Cable is also called a trunk, a common backbone or segment to connect all devices. A device wanting to communicate with another device on the network sends a broadcast message onto the wire that all other devices see, but only the intended recipient actually accepts and processes the message. Advantages of bus topology. Connecting the computer or peripheral to a linear bus is easy. Failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network. Disadvantages of bus topology. Entire network shuts down if there is a failure in the backbone. Heavy traffic can slow down the network because computers on such networks do not coordinate with each other. Ring topology. The ring topology is actually a logical design, that is, the data travels in a circular fashion from one computer to another on the network. Data travels only in one direction in a ring topology. Each computer passes the data to the next one on the line automatically. Advantages of ring topology. Ring topology is easy to install and reconfigure. Every computer is given equal access to the ring. Disadvantages of ring topology. Failure in any cable node breaks the loop and can put down the entire network. Maximum wavelength and number of nodes. Tree topology.